Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder, creates iOS and Android apps for your website with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. We're excited to introduce a feature that enhances your FluxBuilder experience, the undo and redo functionality. Log in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select an app. Here, I'm adjusting the layout of my app. Oops, that didn't look quite right. With a simple click of the undo button, I can revert my last action instantly. It's as easy as that. It also supports features. And what if you change your mind again? No worries. Just click the redo button to bring back that change. Now, my previous adjustment is restored. When you already have your favorite configuration, don't forget to save it in version history for later use. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.